up guys, SUDDOTH here, and we are back again with another car video. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but we are doing something awesome. We are putting the fog lights in the Evo 9 RS. We have the JDM headlights here, and as you can tell, it is a mess. So first thing you're going to do is take out the battery. Obviously here's the battery. You're going to want to take off your fender on your left front fender. Because this little strip here that follows from the fuse box goes up under this little rail. So you have to take out all the little plastic pieces out. You pull it out of this little firewall side. You're gonna have the Evo 8 fuse box there. So they come factory with the RS with these little adapters for your little fog light and a leveler. Mine has a aftermarket wire system, so that's why I have some extra cables and stuff. But up underneath, right, I don't know if you can see, but let's see. Okay, right where my finger is, right there, there's a plug, and then there's another one up underneath. Finger. Right there, there's another plug that you have to undo. Once you get those two done, you pop out these three little sections. 1, 2, 3. And then you have to clip these little clips here on the inside. See that? And then they push through. So you pull them through the other side. These stay right here because we're going to be using those for the new plugs. And that's these little clips right here that I'm talking about. So that's what's going to go on the other side. Here's the new fuse box, and it has the fog lights on it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed here. You do need to tear off this. It's really simple. There's like one screw right here underneath. You take your little dimmer dash out, set that down, but yeah. And then you have to take the ground wire out right here, right where my finger is. It's a ground there you take out. And it pretty much pulls straight out, so it's pretty simple. Nothing too complicated. This just pops out. Use a little flat over here. You're gonna want to take off the side skirts. There's a couple bolts underneath going all the way down, and then I just gave myself enough room so I can just pop the bottom of the fender out. But yeah, once you got that out, here's the stuff I took out on the inside. Here's those two little clips I was talking about. This little plastic piece holding it in is a bitch, so just letting you know. And here's the plug set. And then you have the cable for the latch for your hood. That'll have to get replaced as well. So got everything ready to go. We'll let you know, give you an update as soon as it's done. Alright guys, as you can see, they are in very beautifully and ready to go. So a couple things about the car. Once you get the headlights put in and everything wired up, you have your fog button and your leveler switch. This will adjust the headlights to move up and down. Really nice and clean, as you can see here. I'm gonna pop the hood here for you guys. There's a couple things to go over when you are doing this. It is such a bitch when you are rewiring everything. As you can see, this is the Evo 8. Fix that. I put my top of my fuse box on, everything else wired up pretty nicely. If you have the headlights, you're gonna want to buy adapters. If you get the fog lights with your headlights, you're gonna want to make sure that the wiring harness that comes with it is fitting, because the wiring harness is different from the stock Evo RS headlights. So that's the one thing that mine came with, which was nice. I still have my ballast for mine. I'm using aftermarket HIDs, so I have ballast for that. One tip, when you go in underneath, easiest way, as you can see, there's definitely some room. I didn't wire it all up underneath, but the radiator stock location is in the way for the wiring harness, so you're gonna have to take all this undercarriage stuff out and pull those clips, and it barely fits through if you have someone lifting up on the radiator. So we just ran it underneath and it's fine. So definitely out of wires, but it looks good.